Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got. Oh, climbing up to the top of the world, no fear, we're gonna make it. Everything we want is ours.
Oh, another bright morning on the Thai farm, where I actually, I don't know if you saw this, but I put a brand new piece of bamboo for my pond light there, my bug light. The other one was a couple years old really, so it was getting ready to into the water. I think I mentioned that in an earlier video. And I think I need to do work on the shack today. Gotta give me some metal. But one of the things I need to do also is the bridge back there. The bridge needs to be repaired, replaced, or remodeled. What are you doing? Out of nowhere I hear screaming. What's up, bro? Huh? Huh? Anybody give you a hard time today? He hangs out over here. We're usually in this bush right here or something, you know. Just a way to kill stuff. Anyway, I gotta go change my clothes, man. Get into my working clothes. See what I got going. Alright, man. Whoa. Again. Look at that. Crack it down. It's probably, it's warming up. It's probably about 18 or 19. Nice and cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, man. Get back at you. Well, once again, I thought it would be simple to do a couple tasks. It was simple enough on the light out there. Cut a new piece and just unwrapped it with the zip ties. But other previous videos, probably recent enough videos when I'm walking around this way on the pond, I might have showed my bridge that goes back to this rice field property back here, and that one side of bamboo had collapsed, and so I needed to fix that. And I got, there was a big old piece of bamboo over there. I drug it over here and it would have worked, fair enough, but of course I decided to do it all different and make it out of wood. And this is how far I've gotten. Boom. So scraps of wood, of course. You can see I made these, assembled these 4-piece, actually it's a double rung bridge way. I got some bamboo here. I'll probably leave it there. I dug in the holes down here. All this wood here is, maybe get a picture. All this wood here is the extra wood that's laying around. It's not, it's longer. I gotta sit down. Oh my God. It's longer than all those little pieces I got, for the walkway on this side. And there's my debris field. I had to use my grinder. I cut the ends off of big, I use nails, and I use these big old lag screws, wood screws. I had to cinch that thing up real good. So many pieces. But I got my drill bits and my impact drill or hammer drill and my my level and my Take my sledgehammer, egger hammer, skill saw, machete. Man. And I got super dizzy like twice. The third time was when I just went to get a drink. So I need to take a break. I'm in the shade, which is cool, but you know, there's some heat here. I've been squatting down, standing up, squat. I had probably 200-300 squats already this morning. And it's taking its toll. I'm running out of, I'm out of wood now. I gotta find more wood. I don't want to take apart it. I do have one thing I can take apart. That'll give me a few more pieces, but it's still not enough. So I'm probably gonna have to run back to my wood guy over here and see if I can't get a few more scraps. Just a couple $100 baht maybe. I could use the old shiplap kind of stuff from the old bridge, because I just flipped it over. It's laying on the side over there. But I didn't want to do that. I figured I'd use wood, you know, make a little bit more of a proper wooden kind of deck walkway, more stable. My wife's always walking over here to go to the neighbors and this and that, so better to be stable. I don't want her caving in and falling. She won't get too hurt, but you know, she'll be pissed off. Anyway, man, I'm exhausted. I was gonna get out and do that ride around, but I don't know if I'm gonna have power. I feel like passing out. I ate breakfast. I had a bagel sandwich, you know, and that's it. And you know, 2 or 3 Pepsis. Now I'm gonna drink a nice little strawberry cola. These things are delicious. Nice boost of strawberry energy. But I need to put my bag in. That's what I'm going to do actually. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go over to my pawn shack here, where the fan is. I'm going to sit up against the wall with the fan on me. Cool myself down if I don't trip. And oh my God, maybe, just maybe, pass out. You know, oh my gosh. What are you doing today? There we go. Tilt it down. All right, man. Well, I guess I'll be on the hunt for wood, and we'll see if I can finish up my little bridge terabithia over there. All right, guys. Back at you. Well, I took a little bit of a nap. Just a few minutes, really, but I laid down, rested for about 15. Got some fluids, had a little think, and I was thinking, I don't want to go out and get wood, man. Just too tired for that. And then I thought of something, which was, you know what? I could make it into like a hybrid. So I take the old wood or the shiplap stuff and put like one shiplap and one my piece of wood and one shit like that, and bam, buddy. Woo! It worked. I don't have it nailed yet, but you can see it's like light and dark. Got it all the way to about here, and then the last 1, 2, 3, 4, last 5 pieces are you know, just the shiplap stuff. We'll call it shiplap. But yeah, man, I think that's gonna work. Oh yeah, I still need to do some cleaning up. Can you see this thing? The sun's in my face, man. Oh my gosh. I have no idea if I can see that, but anyway, yeah, man. I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna put a couple more pieces of bamboo on the sides over here, tie them together so it'll be a little bit of a rail. You can hang on. I don't have any more screws. I think I mentioned that. I'm gonna buy a bag of wood screws. Come back out here and every one of them pieces. So what's that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, about 40 pieces probably. 2 sides, 80. Twice, no, probably once. Now they come in bags of 100, so I should be able to do it with one bag. Yep, then do more cleanup. I got all my tools kind of sorted. I need to put these. I just put them in the bucket. Well, I should put that last. I'm gonna break that blade. Yeah, buddy. All right, man. Well, hey. Whew. It feels like it was all day. Sun's right there. That's probably, I don't know, maybe that's only 1 or 2 o'clock. I was up 5 o'clock. It was dark. I had breakfast and all that, and I think I got out here, you know, early, like 7 at least. But now I gotta put this stuff up. I'll go get my screws. Let's see if I feel, oh my god, head rush again. I don't know why I'm getting so many rushes today. Maybe. Anyway, so yeah, bro, gotta pack it up here, get the screws. Maybe what I do need is motorcycle ride. Oh my god. All right, buddy, I'll get back at you guys. Ouch. I'm just looking at the pond over here. It looks like, I don't know, kind of, to me it looks like it's kind of starting to thin out, you know, leaves falling off the trees and stuff. Just seems thinner. Maybe it's because all that butchering from the sadal trees getting trimmed. Anyway, finish that bridge project. Let's take a look. Oh. Bam! Badass. I put these little ropes on here. It's pretty tight. Hammered them down in the ends there. Made it pretty cool. I just wrapped it up real tight on these. Just a little bit of an old person's guide. I didn't have, I wasn't gonna put rails on there. I just pounded in the bamboo into the mud about a, you know, about a half meter or whatever, foot and a half. And then and I had that extra rope from when I was waking up the metal beam up there. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use that. And it turned out all right. Like I said, mixed and matched the wood from the old wood and the new old wood. Didn't cut it off, I just laid it on there like it was, tried to get it best, but yeah, it's pretty good, man. That ain't going nowhere, buddy. Oh, let's see if I can get I'll picture my work. That it? But yeah. Yeah, man. Feel refreshed. Got that done. Don't have to think about that. I'll be glad when this project's done because, you know, I won't have to think too much about that either. But I think about this like every night, you know, when I'm laying in there in bed because I can't sleep. Yeah, I start thinking design and so gotta get on it, man. Get her finished. But it's such good weather, you know, it's such cool weather. Perfect for working, but also perfect for doing nothing or doing other things. Go out and about. Had that big old pile of wood here, burned it down, which kind of cleared up this area more, opened it up a little bit more. Gives me better ideas to get that wood going for this walkway. Probably do that today too. What's left of it. Right now I have to put air in my wife's car tire. She bought one of them little air valves. Well, she bought a set actually. Hey buddy, this guy too. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. That you put on your valve cap. They put it on there when your tire goes low, it pops up like green or whatever. Where'd she put that? I thought she put that on there. I gave her one. Anyway, yeah, it's a little valve cover, little valve cap with like red and green on it. When you put it in there, it's green, and then if the temperature drop or if the air drops, it pops up and shows red. How it actually knows that, I don't know, but I guess it's just probably red when it's like too weak. But anyway, gotta go put air in my tire. All right, man. Well, hey, let me know what you think of my little bridge remake over there. And thanks for watching. And keep watching. I get back at you with more progress over there on my pawn shack.